Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and type registry editor. Click here to open it. On this window, expand HK current user, then expand system folder. Now click on game config store. On the right side, right click on game DVR enable and change the value data as to 0. Click on OK. Now close this window. Now we need to restart our system. This is not necessary. We will move to the next step. Again go to search bar and type registry editor. Again open it. Now we are going to expand HK local machine, then expand software folder, then go to Microsoft folder. Just scroll down and select policy manager, expand it, and we need to expand default folder. Again scroll down and select application management, then select allow game DVR, and on the right side change the value data as to 0 and then click on OK. Now close this window. Now we need to restart our system. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.